Welcome to our comparison of two popular ice makers from EUHOMY. Today, we will dive into the features and specifications of the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker. Both machines are designed for quick and portable ice production, but they cater to different preferences. Let's explore what sets them apart and help you make an informed choice for your home or party needs. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker produces the highly sought-after Nugget or Sonic Ice, which is soft, chewable, and perfect for drinks. In contrast, the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker produces traditional bullet ice cubes, which are less desirable for those who enjoy the texture of Nugget ice. This difference in ice type can significantly influence your choice, depending on your preferences. When it comes to pricing, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $189, reflecting its premium features and higher ice production capacity. On the other hand, the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker is much more budget-friendly at $89, making it an attractive option for those seeking a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. This price difference is a significant factor for many consumers. In terms of daily ice production, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker has an impressive capacity of 34 pounds per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. Meanwhile, the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker produces two 6.3 pounds of ice daily, which is still substantial but may be more suitable for smaller households or occasional use. This capacity can greatly affect your ice needs during parties or events. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker offer unique features that cater to different needs. If you prioritize Nugget ice and higher production capacity, the Nugget Ice Maker is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option that still delivers quality ice, the Countertop Ice Maker is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.